As we wrap up the comdivision kickoff, we had a lot to cover. We spoke about our vision for 25, VCF9 was a big topic, AI with the Broadcom team joining in. We had a team event, so many discussions around support, design and everything else. But most important as always is we do these kickoffs for the team to get better together. So let's listen in what the team has to say about this kickoff, the first one in Dubai.
Hi, my name's Owen. And right now, I'm coming off the wonderful week trip in Dubai for our yearly kickoff, and it's been absolutely great. Over a week of sessions, especially one yesterday from external VMware partners, and we got to learn about AI. It's been fantastic.
Hi, my name is Fabian, President and Partner at comdivision. It was great bringing all partners and members together and employees of comdivision to get the latest about technology stuff. VMware Cloud Foundation 9 is right ahead, and we learned what's the current state.
Yeah, really, I enjoyed the outlook for 2025 for comdivision, what we will achieve together with Broadcom and Omnissa.
Hello from Dubai, I'm Aya, I'm the new senior consultant at comdivision. We just had our kickoff this week, it has been amazing. I can see that comdivision 2025 has an amazing vision. We're going to set our goals and our priorities straight, and we're going to achieve them, and I'm excited for what's to come.
Hi, this is Matthias from Dubai. Great experience here, meeting the whole team, especially the new team members, and sharing the vision of comdivision 25 plus for the next years, main topics, focus areas, and all the stuff we have in mind to share with our CSPs and the whole community.
So what I really liked about going to Dubai and about comdivision kickoff is getting to know the team much better, while also learning about new topics in the VMware by Broadcom space. We also get ready for the current year 2025.
My name is Reinhard Portmann, I'm a partner of the comdivision group. We had our kickoff this year in the Middle East because this will be now our central hub. We met our colleagues from all over the world and we prepared for 2025. We had great sessions and meetings and also really cool get-togethers.
I'm Abdel. This trip was exceptional and fun. I really had fun, and I got to meet the whole team face-to-face, which kind of made it a bit easier to deal with everyone, seeing them face-to-face rather than the screen.
Hi, my name is Sensenik, and I have been to many comdivision kickoffs in the past, and it has always been a very intensive and interesting event for me. So I like to connect with my colleagues and of course play an important role on making sure where we are heading, getting information, making workshops and building together the team the way to the future of comdivision.
Hi, my name is Mariana. These last few days has been really good. We got a lot of meetings where we talk about the vision of this year for comdivision. We also get to know our colleagues from Dubai, Aya and Abdel, which was amazing to connect on a deeper level. We also went to the desert for our team event.
It was an amazing week in Dubai with a complete comdivision team. So we talked about what's next, what's comdivision 2025. So we talked about the complete AI stuff, how we go and grow the business for AI, how we can improve our processes, how we can improve our documentation to deliver better service for the customers, how we can improve the support and help the customer more to be successful in their business.
I've been able to travel the world with comdivision. I've also been able to learn a lot, and so really looking forward to 2025.
I love being here because having a good atmosphere to learn new things, improve things, discuss new processes is something which is really valuable.
So I'm very, very excited to know what's happening and to work with my great team, with our great customers.
It has been a great week and looking forward to working with all of you.
And looking forward to a bright future. See ya.
If you need anything related to VMware from Broadcom, contact us.
I'm really hoping or looking forward to doing it again next year.
This experience has been really, really good, and I'm looking forward for next year.
I'm Fabian Lenz, and this is comdivision.